Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the security violation. The software cannot be used at the same time as the game error. Make sure any conflicting software is not running, then restart your PC and try again. First of all, check if any related software is still installed or leaving behind residual files. Sometimes even after uninstalling, leftover components can still interfere with your game. For example, if you had tools like daemon tools or similar virtual drive software, they might still be causing conflicts. To check this, go to Device Manager. Look under Universal Serial Bus Controllers and also under System Devices. If you find anything related to the conflicting software, for example, daemon tools entries, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Next, carefully review system components and drivers one by one to ensure there are no remaining traces of that software. If the issue still persists, reinstall the software you suspect is causing the problem, like daemon tools, and then perform a complete uninstall to fully remove it. For a clean removal, you can use a tool like Revo Uninstaller. It's free and very useful for removing leftover files. After installing it, search for the problematic software, for example, daemon tools, right-click it, and select Uninstall. You can optionally create a restore point before continuing. After the standard uninstall process, use the Advanced Scan option in Revo Uninstaller to detect leftover registry entries and files. Make sure to delete everything it finds so the software is completely removed from your system. Also, keep in mind that other programs can cause similar conflicts, such as Reshade, DS4 Windows, MSI Afterburner, and Riva Tuner Statistics Server. If you are using any of these, try closing or disabling them before launching your game. Once everything is cleaned up, restart your PC and launch the game again. This should resolve the security violation error in most cases.